people, so I'm reporting from all over. It don't matter where it be, but I'm doing mostly news in Jamaica. But that doesn't matter. But this story it happened in Florida, you know, and it's very serious that you don't have to be in our country, Jamaica, but in everywhere that what's going on around you. You have to see these things and don't be blind, don't be confused to what's been going on. You have to see this. So in this story of Fatal, a 3-year-old, look at it now, people. These shooters don't care whether you're 5, 6 or you're a newborn. You're going to do what they come to do because they're reckless and careless and they don't care about nobody's life, not even their own. So basically, a 3-year-old fatally shot at party in South Florida. Miami PD, a 3-year-old was shot fatally at a child's party in South Florida. Authorities said Sunday. Miami-Dade police officers were alerted to the shooting Saturday night by a system that detects and attack gunshots. When they arrived at the home, officers found the toddler suffering from a gunshot wound and took him to a hospital where he died. According to a news release from the Miami-Dade Police Department, a 21-year-old woman who also was shot was taken to the hospital where she was in stable condition. Investigators were seeking help from the public and locating the suspect. According to the news release, the child's birthday party was being held in a home being used for short rental. So basically, you see what's been going on, people, and it's very serious because this guy, he just come in and shoot up the place. Shoot up the place, He don't care. He don't care at all. And this is very important that you know that people, it can pop off at any time and this world is not running level. So you have to know what you're doing out there. I'm giving you this advice so you can see. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just know what you're doing. Because these people are very insane and mad. And they will do harm to people at any cost. And you just have to understand that, people. Cop seized assault rifle in St. James. 2 men in custody. 2 men are now in police custody following the seizure of an FC assault rifle during a joint police military operation on Granville Drive, St. James on Thursday. Police reported that about 3:30 p.m. a premises occupied by the man was searched and the illegal firearm found. They were subsequently taken into custody. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigation. 137 new COVID cases push Jamaica total over 45,000 mark. Jamaica has surpassed 45,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 as of the 667 simple tests in the last 24 hours. 137 returned positive results, bringing the total to 45,004 cases, with 23,395 being active. The country positively rate stands at 19.6%. Of the new cases, 78 of the persons are women and 59% are men, age ranking from 37 years old to 94 years old. Meanwhile, 4 more persons have died as a result of the COVID, pushing death total to 760. Deceased are all men between the age of 73 to 86 from the parish of Trelawney and over St. Anne's and St. Catherine. Two more fatalities are under investigation, moving that figure to 100 and 129. In the meantime, there were 128 more recoveries, increasing the total to 20,519. Some 258 persons are in hospital, with 12 being moderately ill and 32 critically ill. Two men arrested in connection with cocaine bust in Kingston. Two men were arrested in connection with the seizure of a quantity of cocaine during an operation on Mountain View Avenue in Kingston, the second on Friday. Police reported that about 10 a.m. cops were conducting anti-narcotics operation in the area when the driver of a Toyota Probox motor car was signaled to stop. He complied, and the vehicle, along with its occupants, was searched, and approximately 227 kilograms of compressed cocaine was found. The illicit drugs and the motor car were seized and the men taken into custody. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigation. Police say the estimate street value of the drugs is 295,000 Jamaican dollar. So basically, things is being moved, and it's an everyday thing. So in all matters and in all things, you have to know what you're doing with life, you know? And life is more precious than gold, as I always say. And if you don't understand that, if you're directly trying to throw away your life, it's up to you. Every man succumbs to their injury. Yeah, every man have a right to feed them own problems. And never you will take up another man's problem on your head. Yes, I. Yes, I. So people, just bless up on yourself and have a wonderful day, you know? Yeah? I hope you like this review. Please leave a like, anything you can do. It really helped me out. It really helped me out. I bless you now, have a blessed day, you know? Thank you, my people.